Guys, my 50 cents collection. This is 50 paisa from Oman. This is Emirates 50 fils. This is Bahrain 50 fils. This is Saudi Arabia current. This is 50 halala previous. This is now Middle East, my Middle East collection. This is Middle East collection. This is Saudi Arabia. This is mixed. This is Bahrain, Emirates. Yeah. I don't know. This is all Bahrain. This is Kuwait, Emirates, Egypt, Lebanon, and I have Philippine coins, Philippine peso, and Japan. This is my new collections. Thank